Get ready for Thanksgiving with me. I'm excited for this year because we're not doing traditional Thanksgiving food and it'll be our first year doing this, but we're gonna do like a premium hot pot. I know this is not my shade, but I'm too lazy to return it because it's from YesStyle, but I'm just gonna try to blend it out. I'm gonna go with a darker blush today. Whoa, I think I put too much blush. I also had an office potluck and then some other Thanksgiving food, so I don't think I'm missing out on anything. I like traditional things, but sometimes it gets a little boring, so I love that we're able to change it up. Other brow shapes do not suit my face at all. Just fun to experiment. It sucks when it doesn't look good. Okay. I don't know if I like it because I did make them darker today. Normally I blend it out like crazy and it looks kind of powdery, but today I'm keeping the different hair strokes. I'm gonna mix this red and the black for my eyeliner today. Oh, that's cute. Adding the red to the black makes it look a little bit more interesting. Using whatever's left over on the brush, I'm going to emphasize my egg yolk style by contouring at the bottom. It makes it look more natural, but not doing too much. Also, why is Hot Pot low-key so expensive? My sisters were in charge of all the meat and seafood, so I was like, great, like they got the expensive stuff, right? I was in charge of getting the veggies, noodles, and like whatever else we use. I spent $150 just on veggies and noodles. Like, that is crazy. These are the Ardell Naked Lashes, and I got them because they were reduced at Ulta. This is what it looks like, and they're so soft, and the band is the most comfortable band I've ever worked with. I definitely have to go back and get more because there's no way that they look this pretty, and it was so cheap. Because all of the Naked Lashes are, I think, under $5. That is absolutely stunning. Adding blush to the tip of the nose contours your nose. I'm going to use this shimmer from the Fujiko palette, and I'm going to highlight. Copper shade is a little bit darker than I expected, so I'm going to add this like white gold champagne shimmer on top. I'm gonna add some brown eyeliner just to emphasize my eye shape a little bit more. I am done with my base makeup and my eyes. For my lips, I think a nude would look good, but I do want to try this brown gloss that I bought a while ago. Kind of scared. It was pretty dark. Okay, I knew I wasn't gonna like it. I really don't like it, so I'm gonna take this off. Wait, I kind of like this color. I'm going to add the Roman Mauve Whip in the center. Give it some extra color. I am done. What do you guys think? This is the final look. I think it's super cute, and I'm gonna go get ready now because I took an hour on my makeup. Hope you guys have a wonderful day if you're not celebrating.